The Nasdaq US 100 is one of the most widely followed stock indices by investors and analysts worldwide. In this video, we'll look into the popular index, the types of positions you can take on it, and how to start trading Nasdaq. What is the Nasdaq index? Nasdaq is the second largest stock exchange in the world. Technology giants such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are listed on Nasdaq, with over 4,000 company listings, whose value fluctuates with the world economy, leading the index price to fluctuate also. Nasdaq is a modified capitalization weighted index. The share weights in the index are based on their market capitalization, with certain rules limiting the influence of the largest components. Thus, as a basis, the larger the market capitalization of a company, the larger the share it has in the Nasdaq index, while the index does not include companies from the financial sector. The Nasdaq has stringent standards that companies must meet to be indexed. These include being listed exclusively on the Nasdaq, a public offering by the company in the US market for at least 3 months, an average daily trading volume of a minimum of 200,000 shares, regularly and carefully published quarterly and annual reports, and no bankruptcy proceedings were initiated. The composition of the Nasdaq 100 index changes if a company is delisted, but the index is also rebalanced once a year in December. What are the types of positions you can take on Nasdaq? A long position on Nasdaq. A long buy position is popular when the market is in a good mood and investors feel safe, or when external factors can bring positive sentiment back into the market. This is when a rebound can be particularly dynamic. In such a situation, if you assume that the economy may experience an improvement in investor sentiment following an economic or political event, you can take a long position on the Nasdaq. If indeed market sentiment improves, your prediction will be correct and you will make a profit, betting on the price increase of the Nasdaq index. Conversely, if you were to take a long position and the market fears a downturn, your position would likely record a loss. A short position on the Nasdaq. A short sell position is popular when there is fear and uncertainty in the market or external circumstances that could cause negative sentiment to return. In such a situation, if you assume that the economy may experience a sharp deterioration in investor sentiment following an economic or a political announcement, you can take a short position on the Nasdaq. If fear is present in the market, your prediction will be correct and you can profit by betting on the decline in the price of the Nasdaq index. Conversely, if you take a short position and the market's not expected to fall, your position will likely record a loss. How to start trading Nasdaq? If you want to get started trading Nasdaq, it's available in the XTB trading platform, and you can start by searching for US 100 for CFDs. You can trade on desktop and mobile via the XTB app. Follow XTB to learn more about trading and investing.